Today I'm going to show you how to create this matte chameleon flaky glitter gradient design. I'm applying 2 coats of black polish. This is the second coat going on now. I'm using China Glaze-Liquid leather. Then I'm applying some liquid latex nail tape around my cuticles to help with the cleanup process. I'm using this amazing chameleon flaky polish from Born Pretty store called Violet Galaxy. It has a gorgeous colour shift to it. I'm applying some of the flakies to a makeup sponge, just enough to cover half my nail, and then placing them down towards the cuticle end of my nail. I'm repeating the process on each nail until I've got enough flakies for my gradient. Now it's time to remove the liquid nail tape, and you can see how it removes all the excess glitter and makes cleanup a whole lot easier. This nail tape's from Opulent Essences. I'm using Barry M Matte Top Coat. I've listed all the products I've used in the description box and added links to some of these items so that you can check them out for yourself. I love this top coat. It applies shiny like a regular top coat, but after a few minutes it dries fully matte. Here's the finished design. Just look at that colour shift from pink through to green. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more nail art tutorials.